Line to Bangalore Rajdhani Express from Hazrat Nizamuddin to Bangalore via Bhopal, Nagpur, standing at platform number 5. Passengers are requested to take their respective seats. कृपया ध्यान दीजिए हजरत निजामुद्दीन से चलकर भोपाल नागपुर के रास्ते बैंगलोर को जाने